Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Next Generation Aria. Essentially what this is it's a 3-speed direct drive California Zephyr. This was pretty much just leftover parts from the California Zephyr run, and instead of wasting it or melting it down into a different model or whatever, they just used the parts and made a different fan. So the blade badges, bottom motor housing are pretty much the only thing actually that's, standard Casablanca. K4S, I guess. But that'd be aftermarket. The rest of it just seems kind of like generic stuff. It has a pretty beefy spinner motor in there. Has my least favorite variant of the K4S, but it's something I can deal with. The switch housing on it is actually much like that of a Metropolitan. In fact, it's almost exactly the same. The only difference is it's got pull chains. This also has the blade's actually reversed to a different color side, as opposed to standard Casablanca blades where it's the same color on both sides, because they're not solid wood, but same type of veneer on both sides. Unfortunately, there's kind of a difference in color between the standard Casablanca parts and the other stuff. So the camera doesn't really pick it up all that well. For whatever reason, they decided to use some of the cheapest paint on the light shade, or on the globes and the ball, because it's all just peeling away. Unfortunately, the capacitor has failed on this, so it's just low and high. I actually really do like the white velvet glass. Not that there's anything wrong with the polished brass stuff, but this is actually kind of cool. Seeing white velvet glass. Can't say I've ever seen that before. I mean, it does have a little hum to it, but it's nothing, outrageous. Alright, now let's go to high. This is probably comparable to a standard K55 fan. The only difference is you get a little bit of noise out of it. Little wobble. The blades are perfectly in line, so. Another one of the benefits of a flywheel. I'm going to go to the actual off just because I'm not completely sure if the capacitor is totally dead. If it has a little bit of juice going to it, then it'll affect spin down. Those pull chains are actually kind of close to the blade arms. Something I was kind of disappointed about. I mean, I kind of had a feeling that these were 5-blade only motor, but I wasn't sure. I just think it would have been nice for them to at very least, tap holes for a 4-blade configuration. But apparently they didn't care about their lower line stuff. Maybe it's pronounced Aria. Yeah, I don't know. Aria, area maybe. Yeah, we'll go with Aria. Alright, well there's my Casablanca Aria. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.